So I want you to check this out. Check out this trail. So I'm on Hutchinson Island North. All the other videos that I've ever done on Hutchinson Island has all been on the other side of the inlet. But I decided to come over to this side of the inlet and see what's over here, and that's what we're doing today. And I just drove because I don't know where I'm at, and I came up to this. So now we just got to go check out and see what's down there. All right, so let me show you what I'm looking at. The North Island looks pretty cool too. But I don't know why, but I didn't wear sandals. I'm a dumbass. Sorry. Yeah, let's wear shoes to the beach. Good idea, right? So first thought of this place is it's windy today. Second thought is what a wide beach, man. This beach is like, man, why haven't I been coming over here before? Look how wide it is. Starts there, stretches all the way up. This is a nice wide beach. So if you're headed to Florida for the first time and maybe you haven't spent a lot of time on beaches, I find it a lot easier to walk in this area, this part of the beach where I guess you could say it's the shoreline, than up higher where the sand is. Well, it's all sand, but up higher where it's not wet and packed down, the sand is hotter. Your feet smush down in it, it's harder to walk. This is a lot easier. And it's nice. What a nice walk. We're gonna have to put the drone up. So I am on the beach here on North Island. I'm liking it. This is a nice beach, real chill, nice location. It's a little breezy, but that's okay. I think this is a good spot to film help me find my best drone shot. So what do you say? But before we do that, let's take a look at the last episode and see which shot won. In the last episode, we visited a beautiful spot called Herman's Bay. I spotlighted 3 shots and you voted. Yurimoto said, I vote for shot 1, the sunrise. Thanks so much, Yuri. Lee Peck Brawl Stars said, shot 2 looks beautiful. I like that. Thumbs up. Thanks so much, Brawl Stars, for casting your vote. And Holly's Hobby House said, for this one, I think I'll say shot 3. Thanks so much, Holly's Hobby House, for casting your vote and making a comment. I'd like to thank everyone that made a comment and voted, and a special shout out to Chris Doyle, who said, Scott, your videos have, along with a few other channels, inspired me to buy a DJI Mavic Mini 2. Thanks so much, Chris. I'm so humbled by your comment, and I hope you'll have fun with that drone. It's a great drone, by the way. And the winner of this episode was shot number 2. So I ran into Leroy out here. He's treasure hunting. Not only is he finding things that are cool, you know, that he could collect, make a little money on. I don't know these Chinese tokens. Y'all know what these things are? If you do, make a comment. But Leroy also found those fish hooks, and I'm sure that would make somebody's day better not getting that in their foot. Hey, thanks what you do out here, man. That's cool.
Thank you.
Take care.
Yep.
All right, so sorry, I don't want to sit directly with my face pointing at the sun. It's probably not the best time of the day for your best footage, but I'm hopeful. But how this thing works is I'm going to spotlight 3 drone shots. What I need you to do is vote for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. So yeah, I just got done flying the drone and I think I got some good shots. Tell me what you think. Vote for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. It's a nice place. If you ever get a chance to get on Hutchinson Island, don't forget to visit North Island. It's nice over here. Hey, I'm Scott and this is my journey, and I will see you in the next video.